Number 9 is given this x minus y equals 3. It is equation in two variables. Find the x-intercept, the y-intercept, and graph. To find the x-intercept, set the y equal to 0, x minus 0 equals 3, x equals 3. The y-intercept, set the x equal to 0, that is 0 minus y equals 3, y equals minus 3. So x equals 3 is the x-intercept, y equals minus 3 is the y-intercept. Connect these 2 points and you get the graph. Number 10 is find the midpoint of 2 points. The A is midpoints of x1, y1 is minus 8, 4, x2, y2 is minus 2, minus 6. Midpoint is x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2, which is minus 8 minus 2 over 2, 4 minus 6 over 2, which is minus 10 over 2 minus 2 over 2, which is minus 5 minus 1. B is the midpoint of x1, y1 is 3 minus 6, x2, y2 is 6 and 3. Then the midpoint is 3 plus 6 over 2 minus 6 plus 3 over 2, which is 9 over 2 and minus 3. Please subscribe, share, and like, and ask your friends to subscribe, share, and like.